One Bible verse destroyed the lie that Christians never fail. Proverbs 24 verse 16 says that the righteous man falls 7 times yet rises again. And this verse teaches us what many Christians misunderstand. The Bible never says that the righteous never falls. Instead, it says that the righteous shall rise up. They shall rise again. The word 7 in the Hebrew word means many times, like it's repetition. So, it is giving us a point that the righteous not just fall, but sometimes falls repeatedly. They experience failure, sin, discouragement, and suffering. What makes them righteous is not perfection, because righteousness is a right standing with God. And that happens not because they're perfect, but because of Christ. They could not boast that it's them that did it, but it's always Christ, and Christ gets the glory. If you are in Christ and you've fallen, you feel discouraged, you feel like a failure, the question is, did you fall? No, that's not the question. The question